G'day, we're the Patane family from the Granite Belt. Me and my brother are third generation, while my dad's second generation and my young fella's going to be fourth generation. We're growing capsicums here. We'd just like to thank Subway for all their help and support, and hopefully we can continue that in the future. So a lot of people say, what's the difference between a green and a red? Well, we can tell you that green and red come off the same plant. So a red is just a more mature piece of fruit, as we can see here. It's just been on the plant probably an extra 2 weeks. That could have been picked as a fully green 2 weeks ago. And yeah, you can see green, immature green fruit here and there, to a bit more mature.
So the ideal growing temperature for capsicums is around either 15 to 30 degrees. So anything below 15, they'll start dropping fruit and flowers and won't set properly. Anything above 30, and they start burning fruit and dropping and won't set flowers or fruit. So yeah, that ideal is 15 to 30. So when we're in the field harvesting on a hot day like today, we'll bring them straight to the shed, get them packed up and put them straight in the room. Get the temperature down as quickly as we can, sort of to that 8 to 10 degrees. Picking some really nice fruit. Yeah, it's still really healthy and crunchy and full of flavour.
Full of vitamin C. It's good for you. So keep eating.